Low pressure is in charge of the weather for the next day or two. We're expecting some rain, some wind as well, so it won't be a great time to set your barometer. In fact, we've got low pressure around at the moment, and as that winds itself up, it's going to bring some more persistent rain in during this evening and tonight, and some strong winds as well. In fact, the southerly winds already starting to freshen up, and then the change in wind direction to a fresher westerly by tomorrow. Still quite a strong wind, and that'll stay with us for the next day or two, as you can see, eventually swinging round into the northwest. So some windy and some fresher weather on the way, but at the moment it's still quite sticky out and about. Already 25 degrees in London and in Norwich, and even further west under the cloud band it's quite close out. And we've got some rain here as well. The best of the temperatures we can expect today, I think 28, so it's a couple of degrees down on yesterday, but still quite humid. So here's that rain. It's coming into Ireland now. It's making fast progress actually towards Northern Ireland, and some showery outbreaks further ahead of it. So some wet weather to come, I think, through Northern Ireland this afternoon. Elsewhere it should be mostly dry and bright, but as you saw, there are a scattering of showers around, particularly in northern and western areas. And for the Northern Isles it's going to stay damp and misty both this afternoon and this evening. In fact, by this evening that wet weather, that heavy rain, will be into the southwest of Scotland and other western parts of England and Wales, perhaps even a rumble of thunder. And it'll really get going, I think, tonight, turning more persistent as it pushes its way eastwards across much of mainland Britain. Some heavy rain, even the odd rumble of thunder, and quite a mild and uncomfortable night once again. It'll still be around in many eastern parts tomorrow, but for England and Wales it should clear away. Some drier, some warmer, sunnier weather coming through, I think, by the end of the day, but feeling that bit fresher and cooler than today, and just the odd shower. And for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland here, I think the showery rain will persist. So if you're heading off to the Royal Welsh Show today, a little bit of drizzle not to be ruled out later, and after a damp start tomorrow, I think a fine afternoon. Then plenty more showers packing in for the Royal Welsh Show and many other parts of Britain during Wednesday, perhaps fewer on Thursday as high pressure starts to build. Bye-bye.